Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mapbox to React for custom maps UI, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a new React application using Create React App. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app mymapbox app. Navigate into the newly created project folder by executing cd mymapbox app. Install the mapbox.gl.js library by running npm install mapbox.gl. Next, create an account on the Mapbox website if you haven't already. Once you have an account, log in and navigate to your account dashboard. In the dashboard, generate a new access token by following the provided instructions. Copy the access token to use in your React application. Open your React project in your preferred code editor. In the src folder, create a new file called map.js. In map.js, import React and the necessary Mapbox.gl components with import React from React, and import Mapboxl from Mapbox.gl. Set the Mapbox access token at the top of the map.js file by using mapboxl.accessToken equals your _access _token. Define a functional component named map in map.js. Within the map component, create a useEffect hook to initialize the map once the component mounts. Inside the useEffect, create a new map instance by using new Mapboxl map. Pass in the necessary options such as container, style, center, and zoom. Select a reference to the map container element by using const map container equals useref null. Make sure to assign the container to the map instance by passing container mapcontainer.current. Set the style to a Mapbox style URL, for example, style mapbox //styles/mapbox/streets v11. Specify the initial geographic coordinates with center -74.5, 40 for longitude and latitude. Set the initial zoom level with zoom 9. Add cleanup logic in the useEffect return function to remove the map when the component unmounts. Create a div in the component's return statement to act as the map container. Add a style attribute to the container div to give it a height and width. For instance, set the height to 500 px and width to 100%. Import the map component in your app.js file and place it within the return statement. Now, run your application by executing npm start in the terminal. Your browser should open, displaying the custom Mapbox map you created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.